Hello, nhớ trong sẽ lần trên này sẽ đánh nó, ta chỉ nói chỉ bây giờ là cỡ tu niệm ta sau thiên nhật tu niệm ta ý tu nè, ok? Tu niệm ý tu nói tu đó nè, đó chỉ là lý tiệt đế nè, đó đế, chỉ bây giờ là chỉ sau thiên nhật cho ta đặt cái nó, ok? Chỉ từ nên ba tao là chỉ bây giờ là pin nè, ok? Let's begin. Chỉ ta chỉ nói nè, tu nói cho tu niệm ta ý tu đó, chỉ be da okay thì da thì thầu ở chưa thầu này và nếu chả bị nhồi thầu này và sau này thì này hai lúc sau okay when you are writing this letter say the sound okay da it has the d sound too okay so da day or da or do or da okay let me see. Let me think of another word that starts with da or da. Yep, da or d. Okay. Or dua. Okay. So da. Say the sound. Say the sound as you write. That's how you remember. Da. Okay. Now that we are finished writing the single consonant da, then we're going to write the word day. Okay, dog. Lu mong ha de day lu wan ki de dog. De be la shona. Okay, so let me get a little bit closer so you can see. You see that? Okay, so here's the word day. Okay, so da a diku day. Okay, say that with me. Day. Okay, again. Da a diku day. Da a diku day. Again. Da a diku day. And then last time. Da a diku day. Okay, then they show day ta là đó. Then need lo thì biết là nhiều khả năng. Okay, this is where you fill in the blank. Itu day mu wa shi. Okay, itu day mu wa shi. Okay, all right. So show la lu day cho nó. Okay. Itu day mu wa shi. Okay. Để cho nên show day ta là nè. Thì cái nó nè, thì bây giờ là copy cái sentence ở trong nó. Okay. So now that you have completed the fill in the blank portion, we are going to write the sentence here on this line. Okay. Okay. Capital I. Okay. Tu day itu day mu wa shi. Okay, all right. Data should cause sentence that there. Itu day mu wa shi. All right. So now you notice that there's an extra line. Okay, there's an extra line right there. This is one extra line. You can rewrite this sentence to practice writing itu day mu wa shi, or you can write a sentence of your own using a word that begins with da. Okay, all right, so the choice is yours. This is extra space and you can practice writing another sentence on this line. Now we are going to read the sentence. Okay? I tu de mu or she. Okay? All right? And then on the second time, read a little bit faster. If you have seen my other videos, this is the process that I go through. Okay, so we practice. We just I want to build that fluency. I want you to read fluently, and so we're going to practice slow first, and then we go a little bit faster. Okay, so this time, second time, we're going to read a little bit faster with a little bit more speed. Okay, ito de mu wa she. And then the third time, I want you to read like you're talking, like you were talking. Ito de mo she. All right. So this is a very short lesson. I purposely planned it that way because I wanted to make sure that I don't overwhelm my audience. And since these videos are very basic skills based, I wanted to make sure that I stay consistent. And so we're going to go back over here and we are going to review. All right, just like my other videos. Review. This is the consonant da, da, de, da, da, day. Okay, da, day. Để bé sau tu niệm da. Bé những là lù de day. Bé bỏ lù tu đua day. Để bé bảo de là lù nó de day. Okay. Để bé sau tu da ta de bé sau là lù day. And then bé sau là có sentence de I tu day mu she. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do my videos, and it's going to go through this process, and it's going to spiral, and it's going to get more difficult as we continue on with more videos. And I'm we're almost ready for the second the two consonant, the double consonants. Okay, the double consonants will be coming up soon, and so I want to really emphasize the single consonants and make sure that the my audience, the other people, other children who are learning this, they understand all the single consonants before we go to the second consonants. Okay, so this wraps up this lesson, and if you need more help, go back and listen to this video and also practice again, because practice makes better. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.